Hello and welcome to Amjad Academy. This particular section will be a very helpful for 12th student and as well as IIT JAM and NET student. Here today I will discuss examples based on Jones reagent. So we know that what is the work of Jones reagent? It will convert primary alcohol into acid and secondary alcohol to ketone. This is the function of Jones reagent. So we have two examples in front of us. This first one is propanol on suspension with the chromic acid, or this is the mixture of Jones reagent. It will give us A. What is A? Let's guess A. What will be the A? A will be according to function of Jones reagent. It should give us acid. It should give us acid, but here it doesn't give us acid. If it give us aldehyde at 40%, so I will show you this is our acid, this is our aldehyde. Now name the aldehyde. 1 2 3, 3 carbon, so parent chain is propane. At first position aldehyde group is there, so it is propanol. Now let's switch towards second example. This is our two. This is first carbon. This is second carbon. Third carbon. Fourth carbon. Fifth carbon. This is six. So at two position, it has two isopropyl group. At five position, it has methyl. It has at five position, it has methyl. It has methyl. So what will be the name of this compound? 2-isopropyl 5-methyl hexane 1-ol or hexanol. With which reagent it will, when it will react with the reagent, it gives us ketone. So we have our Jones reagent. What Jones reagents do? Jones reagents does secondary alcohol into ketone. So I will remove this question mark and I will write chromium trioxide, sulfuric acid or water, or either I will write the reacted product of this reaction. I will write chromic acid H2CR2CrO4. This is our chromic acid. When this will react with the chromic acid, it will give us secondary ketone. Now name this compound. It has at two position isopropyl group. At 5 position it has methyl. At 5 position it has methyl. At 5 position it has methyl. So 2-isopropyl 5-methyl cyclohexane. At one position it has ketone group, so hexanone. Now second example I have in front of me. I will write it here. So it is 8-member cyclic ring. It has alcoholic group. So this alcohol is secondary alcohol, 2-degree alcohol. Now name this compound cycloocta, and at first position it has alcoholic group, so cyclooctanol. On reaction with chromic acid H2CrO4 in acetone as a solvent. We'll use acetone as a solvent. What it will give us? As a function of Jones reagent, it will convert secondary alcohol into ketone. So we have, this is our 8-membered ring. At first position we will get ketonic group. So now name this compound. It is cyclohexane on cyclohexanol. So this compound on reaction with the Jones reagent, it will give us ketone. Secondary alcohol is converted into a ketone. Now next example I have. This is our next compound. I can name this compound as tricyclo, tricyclo. At this across the bridge, it has two in the bracket, two carbon bridge, full stop. And at this bridge, it has two full stop. At this bridge it has one carbon, and at this bridge it has zero carbon, because these two carbons are in this bridge, these two carbon are already we have mentioned in this bridge. So in this bridge it has zero carbon, so I will write 0. So I will give name to this one first carbon, this is our second carbon, this is our third carbon, this is our fourth carbon, this is our fifth carbon, this is our sixth carbon, and this one will be a 7. So where the 0 is, 0 will be, I will write at the power of 0 as 4 to 2. There is a 0 carbon. This between the 4 and 2 carbon, there is a 0 carbon. I will close this bracket. Now this particular reaction on suspension with the Jones reagent, I will write Jones reagent. What it will give us? Now look at here. This hydroxyl group, it is attached to secondary carbon. So it is 2-degree alcohol. It will give us, what it will give us? It will give us ketone. It will give us ketone because it is secondary alcohol, and the function of Jones reagent is to convert secondary alcohol into ketone. This is our compound. So what will be the name of this compound? It is, I have written the name of this compound is heptane, because it has 7 carbon. So heptanol. And then this compound, it will have the same name, and the one all you have to just write one al, so it will be one on, so it will become ketone. Thank you for watching this video. I will make more videos on other reagents like Collins reagent, PCC, PDC, which will be helpful for you in future uses.